This is a 200 amp service with a number 4 bare going to a U for ground. So we're hoping that the inspector's not going to make us put on additional grounding connectors. The county requires safety harnesses. Our inspector, awesome guy. He checked everything out, made sure we were in compliance, checked our signage. Good morning. Just finishing up another project. We got the inspector coming in about a half an hour. This is a system with 20 CertainTeed 440 panels. We're using the IQ8 Plus inverters. Iron Ridge mounting system. This will be putting out just about 9 kilowatts peak. I'll show you the combiner, how that turned out. Before I do that, here is our grounding system. That's number 6 bare. And we're using the Iron Ridge J boxes. Can't see them under there. Then we're using number 10 through the attic. Keep it clean, no conduit on the roof. And then that all heads down to the combiner box. Here's our main panel. This is a 200 amp service with a number 4 bare going to a U for ground. So we're hoping that the inspector's not going to make us put on additional grounding connectors, since this has one of the best ground systems in the county. This goes down to a rebar in the footing. And this footing has 6 number 4 rebar running all the way around the perimeter. Awesome ground system. So hopefully he doesn't make us put in additional ground. We have our labels here. Off. Photo breaker. Now in California, you have to locate the PV breaker at the opposite end of the bus bar. So we've done that. Here's our combiner 5C. The C is because it has the cell modem, which we really like, because in the event that the Wi-Fi isn't connecting or there's a problem with the homeowner's Wi-Fi, the cell, it connects automatically to T-Mobile, Sprint, or Verizon from Enphase. Now if it's on the Wi-Fi, the nice thing is the Envoy itself, the gateway, will report every 15 minutes. On the cell modem, it reports every 6 hours, so a little bit slower. When you buy the Enphase Combiner 5C, it comes with 5 years of data automatically included with your plan. So this will go from 2025 to 2030 before you'll have to think about investing in a data plan through Enphase. So here we have our 2 breakers going up to our PVs, 10 panels on each breaker, 2 20 amp breakers. This 15 goes to the Envoy. And of course our gateway's back in there. It's off right now because we're getting the inspection today. So we'll get the inspection and we'll let you know how it goes. It is raining today, but the county requires safety harnesses. Now this homeowner put harness hooks built into the roof system, so that's great. And then we have a harness here in case the inspector wants to go on the roof. I don't imagine him wanting to since it's raining today, but we'll have it available. Happy days. We passed our final. Our inspector, awesome guy. He checked everything out, made sure we were in compliance, checked our signage and our combiner panel, and made sure everything was up to code. Awesome guy. We appreciate it. So we're going to button this up. We'll send this in to PG&E. Now the nice thing about this customer is he's still under the NEM 2. He got it in before PG&E closed it, so we didn't need any batteries on this system, just a combiner and the panels on the roof, and PG&E's basically their battery, which is really awesome. Hopefully they bring that back sometime in the future, but not likely. Now PG&E's having you here in California put in batteries on almost every system. So we're going to button this all up, and we'll button this up, and we'll button that up, and we're going to call it the day. Thanks for watching.